Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. So in today's video we're gonna learn how to fix Discord mic not working issue in iPhone. So for that let's head to our Discord application. Click on that three dash on the left top corner, go to profile, then scroll down, go to voice, and you can see the sensitivity line is green, right? So it's because I'm talking right now and it is taking my signal. And if I go silent for a few seconds, as you can see, the green line will be disappeared. So this is how you can know that it's working completely fine. If it's not for you, I would suggest you to reconnect your earbuds again or replug your microphone so that it will be working again. So that's it guys. So if you like this informative video, so don't forget to leave like, comment, share and subscribe for more. So I will be seeing you on my next video. Till then, peace out.